Okay, I want to go over your weekly overview with you. This is the week of September 7th through 11th. We had no school on Monday the 7th, so this is what we have this week from the 7th, I'm sorry, from the 8th through the 11th. So we have our normal vocabulary. Okay, make sure you turn that in. That's the only thing you're going to be turning in on Schoology this week, okay? Everything else is assigned in Alex. So let me pull up the Alex window. Okay, in order to see this, you have to have your knowledge check complete, okay? So here's what you have for this week. So for Algebra 1B, you have your functions. So it's 12 questions. I would advise you to use your notes because they are very helpful. All right, then you have a Unit 1 test also. And again, you can use your notebooks on that also. For intensive math, you got assignments 1, 2, and 3. They're all 10 questions each. On top of that, on top of the 3 assignments, you also have to get your minutes in for this week. So you need to have 100 minutes finished and at least 9 topics. Now, if you do your 9 topics before you finish your 100 minutes, you can stop your minutes there, then I'll give you credit for your 100 minutes. If you don't finish your 9 topics, you definitely need to finish your 100 minutes. Have any questions, make sure you get in contact with me through email or my cell phone. Talk to you soon.